Hello and welcome to the Corgi Quick Start Guide to the Green Homes Grant Scheme. Quick Scheme Overview. Government fund up to 2/3 of the cost of home improvements up to £5,000 for over 600,000 homes in England, supporting over 100,000 jobs in green construction. Households on low income can receive vouchers covering 100% of the cost of the improvements up to a maximum of £10,000. Social and private landlords and park home owners are also eligible. Available measures. The available measures are split into primary and secondary categories. Households will need to install at least one of the primary measures below to qualify for funding. Primary measures are insulation, which will include solid wall, cavity wall, underfloor, loft, flat roof, room in roof, park home. Top-ups are allowed but not replacements. Low carbon heat, air source heat pump, ground source heat pump and solar thermal. Adequate insulation will be needed for air source heat pumps and ground source heat pumps. Available measures. Secondary measures are windows and doors, double, triple glazing, where replacing single glazing, secondary glazing in addition to single glazing. Upgrading to energy efficient doors, where replacing doors installed prior to 2002. Heating controls and insulation, appliance thermostats, hot water tank thermostats, hot water tank insulation, smart heating controls, zone controls, delayed start thermostat, thermostatic radiator valves. Advice and support. Homeowners across England will be able to access advice and support on improving the energy efficiency of their homes from the Simple Energy Advice Service. SEA will suggest appropriate home improvements that owners may be able to apply for support in funding. Households will be offered a list of approved Trustmark and MCS registered tradespeople in their local area to carry out the work once the works are agreed. All tradesmen must be Trustmark registered and additional MCS registration is needed for heat pumps and solar thermal. Vouchers will be available from the end of September via the Simple Energy Advice Service website, which is currently being developed and run through to March 2021. Our guess is that the voucher will not need to be redeemed by the end of March 2021, but details from government are needed in this respect. Most likely, the government aspect of the monies will be paid to the installer, not to the household. In summary, we think this is great news that government are investing in greening our homes and taking us on the road to net zero carbon. Our understanding that this is the beginning of other measures for the industry likely to be announced at some point in the future. We'll bring you more updates as we get them. Corgi, celebrating 50 years. Trust, expertise and quality, and you can find out more details at www.corgiservices.com.